Hey guys, this is Robert, and here I'm going to box this AirTag lock set. So you want to attach it to your luggage, no one can take it out. Lock. Code is 00. You push the button. Pin. Something's like a lock. There you go. Sure it's focusing or not. There you go. So yeah, there's a tab right here, and then when you have the right combination, it unlocks. That way, put combination with this AirTag. This. And even then, they can't take this apart either because it uses screws, or uses special screws here. So when you combine these two, no one can take off your AirTag off your luggage, so you know that's good. Won't go anywhere. So if you're interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. in the description below. Using that link, you have supported So if you're interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.